Hey guys, got this aerator dropped off. It's one of those bluebird fucking heavy ass fucking machine. Um, I'm changing all the tines. All these tines are so far worn down. Okay, you see where this bend starts to go up, and there should be more tine on there. Here's a new one. That's exactly where the other one is. Look how much more there is to the new time compared to the old time. That's a big difference. Alrighty, I'll be back when I get the new ones in.